Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Morning.
How are you today?
How about you?
Okay, I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay, before we start our class, let me pray together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Rabbi zidni ilman warzuqni fahman. Amin.
Okay, I want to read your attendance. Rezi Fadila Akbar. Okay, Rosinatul Fadila.
Yes, miss.
Sama Fadila Bilar.
Yes, miss.
Satya Jana.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so before we start our class, let's do the ice reading. If I say Sam, you do school. Do you get it? If I say Sam, do you know Sam? You do good. Good. Okay, so if I say drive, you do go. Go. Okay, so if I say police, you do sad. Okay, let's do together. Sad. Drive.
Go.
So police.
Say.
Okay, let's do one more time. Sad. Drive.
Go.
Police.
Say.
Okay, good job. So let's rewatch a video. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, from this video, I have some paper and please write on this paper about your profession in the future. Okay, I give you 2 minutes and you write on the paper. Okay? What do you want to be in the future?
Just write the profession list.
Yes. So, do you want to be singer?
No, miss.
Like Ariana Grande?
I want to be a dancer, like Larissa Manoela.
I will ask you later. Okay, have you finished?
Yes, miss.
Leslie, have you finished?
Yes, please.
Just put on your table. Okay, begin from Rezi. Rezi, can you mention what do you want to be in the future, Rezi?
I want to be a doctor in the future. Miss.
Okay, good. Rezi, want to be a doctor. Rosie, what about you?
I want to be a dancer in the future, please.
Dancer, great. Sir, Sapna.
I want to be an Aussie.
Astronaut, wow. What about you, Satya?
I want to be a artist.
Artist. Who's your favorite artist? Akila Kalista, do you know Akila Kalista?
Yes. Akila.
Akila. Raisa Mary. Oh, I know Raisa Mary. Okay, now please close your eyes. So, I will ask you about where do you see yourself in the future? Where do you see yourself in the future? Like Satya, you want to be artist? So where? So the first question is where do you see yourself in the future? So and the second question is who is proud of you? I have two questions. Okay, begin Satya. Where do you see yourself in the future? Okay, good in television. So who is proud of you? Proud of you. Amira, who is proud of you? Proud of. Beautiful keywords. Okay, it's pretty. So Satya, sorry, Satya. Yes, that's good, right? Because Hasarna is in the mood. So, who is part of you, Sapna? Okay, it's okay. That's good answer. So, Rosie, dancer.
I see myself in a big concert.
A big concert. Do you have a favorite idol or dancer?
Kalisa Manoban.
Oh,
From Blackpink.
do you know BTS?
Yes, absolutely I know.
EXO, do you know? Okay. Who is proud of you? Crowded people. Okay, class, Raisi. Where do you see yourself in the future?
I see my patient.
Your
Patient.
passion. Oh, yeah. Okay. So, who is proud of you, Raisi? In front of you. Siapa yang bakalan bangga dengan profesi kamu sebagai
My
dokter?
family.
Ya, of course, your family. Okay, you have a good profession, right? Like you wanna be doctor, Rosie dancer, Sapna astronaut, and Sandia artist. Okay, from those activities, you know what we are going to learn today?
About profession.
That's good. Today we are going to learn about hope and dream. What we are going to learn today? Okay, so by the end of the class, I hope you will be able to share your dream and your hope in clear and confident dialogue in front of the class. Okay?
What is your biggest dream, Siti?
I want to be a teacher.
That's awesome, Siti.
How about you? What do you want to become someday?
I want to become astronaut, Siti.
That's cool, Adi. I hope you can achieve it.
Okay, that's very good. Give a applause for and Rosie. Alright, so does anyone know what we are talking about? What do you think now? What are you talking about?
We are talking about their dreams.
They're talking about their dreams. And then who want to become a teacher? Satya. Siti. Oh, Ani. What Ani want to become an astronaut? That's very good. So, Siti want to become teacher. Ani want to become astronaut. Okay, so they are talking about their dreams. Okay, so I want to ask you. Does anyone knows what hope and dreams are? Does anyone know? What? Jadi pengen. Okay, that's very good. What do you think, Tracy? What hope and dreams?
Sesuatu yang ingin dicapai dengan kerja keras nih.
Okay, that's very good. How about you, Satya? What do you think about hopes and dreams? Harapan, hopes, their hopes. How about you, Rosie? What do you think about hopes and dreams? Can you tell me?
Harapan menjadi mimpi.
Okay, that's very good. Give applause. You guys are very good at hopes and dreams. Then let me tell you, hope is something that we want to happen in the future, but we didn't know that's going to happen or not. So there is something that we want to be in the future, or there was something that we dream of in the future that we call hope and dreams. Okay, so today I'm going to talk about hope and dreams, and then you guys will be able to know about the expressions of hope and dreams, and then the expression that we can use to asking the someone dreams and hopes. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, now if you want to express your hope and dreams, there are some expressions that we can use. Here, there are 7 expressions that we can use for today, and then I hope you guys really recognize these carefully, and then you guys will be able to tell the expression by using this expression. Okay? Okay, I want you guys to repeat after me, okay? Okay, the first one is I hope to. I hope to. I hope to. I hope to. I hope that. I hope that. I hope that. I hope that. I want to. I want to. I want to. I want to. I would like to. I would like to. I would like to. I would like to. My dream is to. My dream is to. My dream is to. My dream is to. I dream of. I dream of. I dream of. I dream of. I'm hoping to. I'm hoping to. I'm hoping to. I'm hoping to. Okay, can you tell me, Satya, the expression that you can use to express our hope and dreams?
Alright, yes. I hope to.
I hope to.
I want to.
I want to.
My dream is to.
My dream is to. Okay, good job. Can you tell me, Tracy, the expression that you can use?
I'm hoping to.
I'm hoping to.
I dream of.
I dream of.
I would like to.
I would like to. Good job. Okay, Satya, can you tell me 3 expressions?
I
I want to save someone's life and
That's very generous.
then I want to invite to Raditya podcast like Rita.
That's very good. Kamu berani. Alright, so you guys already understand that there are some seven expressions to express your hope and dreams. Alright, I'm going to tell you about the pattern of hope and dreams. So the first one we have hope and infinitive. Does anyone knows what infinitive is? Infinitive. Does anyone know? Does anyone know? Infinitive is best form. What is best form? What is best form? Yeah, best form is best one. Give me examples of that one. Sana. Eat. Good job. How about you, Rosie? Tell me one. Best one. Read. Razik. Best one.
Sleep.
Sleep. Okay, good job. Satya. Study. Good job. So infinitive is verb one. Alright. So here, there was the first pattern is verb plus infinitive, subject, verb plus two verb. Okay. Can you read the examples of that? I have to study. Which one the infinitive? Yes, very good. The infinitive is study. Okay, the second one is verb plus that clause. That clause. So subject plus verb plus verb plus subject plus will plus verb. Can you read the example, Satya? I hope that I will pass the exam. Which one the subject? Subject I. Which one the verb? Yeah, pass. Which one the expressions of hope and dreams? I hope that. Very good. So you guys understand? Is there any question?
No, me.
No. Okay. Give me example. Give me the example of hope and then clause phrasing. Give me the example.
I hope that I will
What?
I hope that I will sleep well.
That I will
Sleep well.
sleep well. Very good. Which one the subject? Rosie? Yeah. Subject I. Which one the verb? Good. Which one the expressions? Yes, very good. Expression is hope. Very good. Okay, the next pattern is want to or would like to. The pattern is subject plus want to, would like to plus verb. So the example is I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. Okay, the last one is hoping. The pattern subject plus to be plus hoping plus to plus verb. So the example, can you read the example, Sana?
I'm hoping to get school about how to use the expression and the verb that we use in hope and dreams. Now we will learn about how to make a conversation about hope and dreams. Okay? Nah, we will make the conversation for two. Jadi untuk dua orang dulu. Nah, ada example Lina and Musid. So it is a new class and new student. So if you meet your new friends, what that you will ask firstly? Name or hello?
Hello.
Yes, hello. So if someone say hello, what will be answer? Yes, hi. So after this, okay, what will Lina say?
What's your name?
Yes, what's your name? What is your name? So next, what will Musid answer? Yes, I am Musid. Nah, after we talk about this, we can ask about the dream. Like, Nina, Musid, what? Okay, tell me one expression that have you learned before.
What is your dream?
What is your dream? What is your dream? Nah, how to answer? My dream is become lawyer. Nah, this how we will make the conversation about hope and dreams. Okay, have you understand?
Yes, miss.
Okay, and next we will play a quiz. So please open your phone and enter the code.
Okay, miss.
Okay, finish. Nah, who's doing that? Who is this skill to do this? Okay, Safna. Okay, congrats for Safna. Okay, from all the questions that have you do, is there some question that you don't understand? No? Okay, because you have understood. So now we will play some games. I will divide it into two groups. This group one, this group two. So this is the okay. This is the blue. Okay. How to play? The play is this. There is the keyword. Okay, on the paper. That in Indonesian, so you have to translate it into English. So you arrange the sentence. So after you arrange, you have to stick it on the paper. You have to tempelkan di paper. You may use your Google Translate also. Okay? Okay, we start now. Ito. This. Ada mana? Okay. If the paper is not enough, you can tumpuk, ditumpuk aja. Jadi kayak itu kan?
Oh iya. Ini buat suku belum? Oh iya. Jadi next
Okay, 1 minute.
tadi pernah bikin want to be a teacher.
Teacher. Pachi? I want to be? I want to be a nurse. Nurse. Okay, good job. So, if we talk about the activity, what we use, Sapna? Using the pen. Can you give example? It's a boy. Okay, good job. So, I think also learn about make the dialogue box and read. So, before we end the lesson, let's watch the video about hop and dreams dialogue. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Wait, yeah. Okay. Pay attention and listen carefully. What's your biggest dream in life? I want to be an expert. That's scary. I want to travel and make things. Oh, it's so exciting. Yeah, I want to see about the different countries. Okay.